Parents, here's how you turn on restricted mode on YouTube to stop some of the content that your kids might be accessing. From the YouTube front page, click up on the top right corner on your profile name, and then about halfway down you'll see it says restricted mode off. If you click on there, currently turned off. If I click that to make that go blue, it'll activate restricted mode, which means that some of the content you then see is going to be filtered out. This is only on this version. I'm on the desktop version. It's letting you do it on the desktop version, not your version of it living on your phone, but I'll show you that in a minute. Also, where it says restricted mode on, you can turn it off again from the same spot, but you can, if you want to, click lock restricted mode on this browser. If you click that, it'll ask you for your Gmail YouTube password, enter that information, and then that browser will be locked until you unlock it. So if you wanted to give a device to a child, you can lock restricted mode on, otherwise they're going to go straight back to your logo, and unlock it again. You can lock it with your Gmail password and stop them getting access to it. If you're on your phone, open up the YouTube app, go down to the bottom corner where you see your profile icon and click on that. Then click on the cog at the top of the screen, go down to the top there, it says General, and scroll down a little bit and you will see restricted mode there. Just slide it to blue and that'll then be on. Slide it back to turn it off. That's it. Hope you found it useful. Follow me for more. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.